300, 400, 500, 600.
The train is stopped on a station which is situated in Purulia. Passengers which are going to Purulia can stop here and land. This station is situated in Purulia.
Okay,
Passengers
has come. Let's get over. Come here.
Please do it fast. The train is start again in 5 minutes. Do it fast, passengers.
Okay. Stop. I've called for a cab.
What do you mean cab?
Hey, come here. We have to go to the Sunlight Hotel.
Light hotel. So it's called only 200 rupees. Okay.
Give it to.
I got 200.
Let's go. Come here.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hey, we have to room. Come here. Hey, I want a room.
So room. So which floor do you want to live?
Huh?
Which floor do you want to live?
Second floor.
Second. This is second. Second floor is left for only one room, so I can book it for you. That is a special room for VIPs.
Okay, I want this. How does this cost?
15,000.
Where
is your key?
Give it 50,000.
Where is your key?
Key, please.
Here is your room key cards and your car. And here is your room key cards and key.
Okay, come here.
Hey, wait. So the pass will lead you to your room in second floor. Here is your room. My pass. Completely.
It is night time. I have to eat. Waiter.
Hey, call.
Hello. I want food.
So which food do you want?
Hey, what do you want?
Meat and rice.
Meat and rice, and me for roti and curry.
So chapati and curry and 10 rice. Chapati and curry and 10 rice only 200 rupees. Madam, they will cost 200 rupees. They will cost 200 rupees.
Okay, please take it our room. Room number 752.
Okay. Madam, wait for 15 minutes.
This is not a walkie-talkie.
Food.
They said they are coming in 15 minutes.
Here is your food.
Okay, give him money.
200 rupees. I'm not opening. Okay.
Do you have any phone?
Yes. I have phone.
I will pay in Google Pay.
Okay. Phone pay.
Okay, please give me your scan.
Okay. My number is
Scan.
7.
I want the scan.
Okay. Out. My all the money has been. So here is it.
How much?
200 rupees.
That is go.
Okay, you can eat.
Oh my.
Eat this.
What is this?
Dinner.
Oh. Give me.
Come here and eat and sleep.
It's now afternoon time.
It is night time. We have to sleep. Let's sleep.
In the morning time, you have to leave.
No, we were sleeping. I'm not so sleepy.
Waiting. Just clean the room 702.
Oh, I'm not a money. This is my card. This is my card. I pay with the card. You are already sleeping.
Then, here is what is the restaurant? Oh, there is.
Wow, those are so much more. Oh my.
Let's sleep. It is midnight.
I'm not sleepy. You go to sleep.
Everyone,
Tomorrow morning we have to go.
everyone sleep in the hotel.
We have to go to
Everyone wake up
I'm not like
into 12 o'clock. They will be scared.
Okay.
Sleep,
Now,
passengers.
How do I sleep?
Sleep.
How do I sleep?
Sleeping properly.
How do I
Sleep
sleep?
fast. The ghost is coming.
I will help you. See.
Now I sleep.
Sleep.
What? 7 a.m. Wake up, passengers. It's 7 a.m.
Oh, what is the alarm? Hello?
Passengers, wake up. It's 7 a.m. Time for breakfast. Ready for breakfast, passengers.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, Mama.
So, passengers, do you ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
So, what food do you want to eat?
Tea and a nice tea and biscuits.
Tea and biscuits. The waiter will send it to you
Okay.
in half an hour.
Give me 2 tea and a coffee.
2 tea and a coffee and biscuit. Waiter, 2 tea and coffee in the room 702. It will be delivered in half
Hey,
an
go
hour.
and wash your face. I'm going and wash my face.
Wait a minute now. I take this back here. What is your tea?
They are not bringing. I will call him. Hello?
Here is my tea cup.
Hello? Please give us tea and coffee fast.
Okay. First, we have to make it. Then we have to get it.
What are you?
You
I'm
are.
doing something.
My tea.
Okay.
Not tea.
Those are VIP foods.
Okay. Our done.
Hi, Sudan.
Let's go to somewhere
Bill!
and walk.
Here is your bill. 1,000 rupees.
Here is my
Okay.
1,000 rupees.
Let's go to walk.
Hey, you want the tattoo?
Walk out.
You want the tattoo?
Come.
Okay.
You want tattoo? Boom, 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 boom.
Hey, stop.
What?
We have to go to the.
We are working like this.
We are going to the Kangsabati river.
Okay, for what?
Doing something. Please
For
take us.
bathing. For bathing.
For it's called. It's called 50 rupees.
Okay, come.
Okay.
Brum, brum, brum.
Stop.
Stop.
Brum,
Stop. It is not. It's cab, not a car.
brum.
Oh, stop, stop, stop. Wow, the river is so cool.
I need the bath here.
See this breeze? It's so cool.
Can I bath in this river?
And
No, no, no. This is not our river. We are not bathing here.
hey, there are boats here. There are boats. You can sit on a boat.
Okay, please let's go and sit on a boat.
Oh, wow. Let's go. Where is the boat?
Hey, boat. We have to go there.
Okay.
This side.
Sit.
Huh? This is the boat.
Come here and sit.
Wow, this boat is cool.
We are late.
Okay.
This
How much?
blue thing is
Only 10 rupees.
Oh,
Hey, give me 10 rupees.
10 rupees. Easy. Anything.
Let's take some selfie.
Oh no, I forgot my mobile at home.
Okay, I have mobile na.
Take my money. How dare you take my money?
Where is your money?
Here is my money. Here is it.
It's so
Okay.
funny.
Hey, boat, come here.
I am swimming.
Please go and
Let's go home.
slow.
This boat is round and round.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the-
Pay him. Pay him.
Here is my ticket card. Pay it.
Zing, zing, zing. 200 rupees. Zing.
Thank you for my card. Let's go home.
Okay. I want a cab. Then how did we go to the hotel?
I'm really hungry.
Hey cab, come here. We have to go to the hotel.
Wow,
Which
this
hotel?
berry is real.
Salah.
delicious.
Hey, don't touch it. You will be poisoned.
I just take one.
Mm.
You will be poisoned.
Let's go.
Sunlight Hotel.
Sunlight hotel.
No, the sunlight hotel is gone. How to go home?
I'm not. Go slow.
Let's go.
Go slow.
Let's go home. Oh, stop.
Okay, stop. Okay. How much do you pay?
100 rupees. 100 rupees.
Hey.
Zing, zing, zing. 100 rupees.
Okay. Hi. We are going to room.
Hey,
I'm so tired.
hey.
I have a green berry from there.
Hey, तू दुकान नीचे पड़े गई.
Why?
You are poisoned.
No, I not take poison.
Okay. I want food. Hello.
Hello?
It is afternoon time. Give us food.
Okay.
I have a
What food do you want to eat?
I need ice cream. It's so hot.
Okay, ice cream.
And in the afternoon time we are eating rice, dal, curry, and meat.
Okay.
That is
Food is sent to you in 1 minute. The food will send to you in 1 minute. The food will send to you in 1 minute. The food will send to you in 1 minute and send it.
Okay. Eat your ice cream.
Yeah, I not eat it. This is my ice cream.
Stop it. Okay. We are
Just 100 rupees.
okay. We are done. Come and take your money.
My shop is really so dead.
Take it.
Hey man, why not take this? Oh, why not setting?
Okay. It is so many days. We have to go to home.
But I like this one. Can I go to Puri and there is a beach?
No, we have to go to home. You have a school. Come.
Yeah.
Take your money.
Yes, I have. Wow, where is your money?
We are leaving. How much we have to pay? Okay. Our bill. Cab, come here. We have to please leave our
Station.
Okay, please leave me our station.
Which station?
Purulia Junction station.
Boo.
Don't go fast.
Boo.
Okay, we are come.
Oh, please, madam.
I paid. Here is your 100 rupees. Ta-ta.
Okay, I'm go and buy a ticket. Okay, go and buy 2 tickets. Hello?
Hello?
I want 2 tickets.
How do you want?
Purulia Junction to Purulia Junction to
Babu.
I'm really so boring, yaar. I need to go.
2 tickets.
Okay, how much?
100 rupees.
Come, let's go.
Hey, see. This is Purulia to Kandra, Purulia to Baharampur, Purulia to Barabhum. We want this.
Oh.
You are ready.
Let's come. I don't want any
Money.
Sit.
I am a lucky man on the village.
Ticket.
500 money.
Wait.
100 cards.
Hello. The train to Purulia Junction, the Bravo station is going to be start in 1 minute. Passengers, let's book now. Orange will be next train.
Wow, this is really good. See.
The train is going to start in 1 second. Passengers, please book now.
Ta-ta.
Ticket.
This is our ticket.
Ticket.
Swappy money. Hey, this is my phone. My thief.
So this is Purulia Junction to Baharampur and this is Purulia Junction to
Here is your money.
Barabhum.
no.
Here is your
Barabhum. I see 2 tickets only.
ticket.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go home. Oh, sorry.
Hey, let's go. Boom.
So friends, if you like our video, like
And subscribe.
and like our channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye.